Choose the correct sentence. The correct answer is B. He goes to school. What is the plural of child? The correct answer is B. Children. Identify the verb in the sentence she sang beautifully. The correct answer is B. Sang. Which word is an adjective? The correct answer is B. Happy. Choose the correct article. She bought dash dash apple. The correct answer is B. An apple. Identify the tense. They have eaten lunch. The correct answer is B. Present perfect. Choose the correct form. She dashed to store yesterday. The correct answer is B. Went. Select the correct sentence. The correct answer is C. I am studying now. Which is an interrogative sentence? The correct answer is A. Where are you going? Choose the correct pronoun. Dash is my best friend. The correct option is A. He. Which sentence in the future tense? The correct answer is A. I will call you tomorrow. What is the superlative of fast? The correct answer is B. Fattest. Choose the correct verb form. She dash already eaten. The correct answer is A. Has. Which word is a noun? The correct answer is C. House. Which is a passive sentence? The correct answer is B. A letter was written by him. Select the correct sentence. The correct answer is B. We have gone there. Which is a negative sentence? Correct answer is B. I don't like it. Choose the correct form. He dash play football every Sunday. The correct answer is A. Does. Which is a comparative adjective? The correct answer is B. Taller. What is the base form of went? The correct answer is C. Go. Which word is a conjugation? The correct answer is A. Or. Choose the correct question tag. It is hot. The correct answer is A. Is not it. Identify the past perfect tense. The correct answer is A. I had eaten dinner. Which sentence shows correct punctuation? The correct answer is B. What a beautiful day. We pick the correct form. He dash watching TV when I arrived. Which is a countable noun? The correct answer is apple. Which word is a preposition? Under. Which is an example of an interjection? The correct answer is wow. Which part of a speech is the word quickly? The correct answer is C. Adverb. What is the correct order of adjective? अब ये आपको कमेंट में बताना है, आपको लास्ट में कमेंट करनी होगी क्योंकि आपने पूरी वीडियो में कहीं भी एक कमेंट नहीं की। तो आपको, और ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ और लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।